The FOX54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Happy Thursday. Let's start things over I-20 exit 195 Hyatt Place. It is a bit of an overcast morning, very similar to how it felt yesterday, but unfortunately today is a little bit hotter. Currently we have those overcast skies here on Doppler radar, lots of water vapor in the atmosphere. So if you step outside, it is just the miserable type of weather that is just hot and humid here in the southeast. Pretty unusual for this time of year as well. Today we're warming up to the upper 80s. We have 87 for our high today. Partly sunny by the afternoon, so if you get to about 1 or 2 p.m. you might see some of that sunshine start to move into our area. Winds out of the southeast between 5 and 10 miles an hour for today. And again, about 1 p.m. is when you could start to see just a little bit of sunshine. Let's take a look at the highs region-wide. We have 84 up towards McCormick, 85 in Edgefield, 85 in Waynesboro, 86 in Millen, and 86 towards Macon. So it is going to be a hot, muggy day for today. Dew points are going to be into the 60s and 70s for today as well. If that helps give you an idea of relative humidity, that's going to be roughly about 90% to even 95% relative humidity. Now we do have those overcast conditions again till about 1 or 2 p.m. for today. So if you can just hold off till then, you're going to have some decent weather, just a little bit on the warmer side. Temperatures again into the upper 80s. And again, a little bit of sunshine when we get to that afternoon. When we get to the evening, it's going to be partly cloudy skies. We have a low of 63 degrees, about a degree or two cooler than it was for this morning. So muggy and humid conditions will continue for the next couple of days. And this is actually the most perfect weather for golfers. The golfers like it to be hot and humid. It helps with the air density when they are golfing. So pretty interesting fact there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. This is looking ahead to Sunday, because Sunday we have our next round of potential severe storms. So we're seeing that storm system move from the west to the east. This is mainly going to bring us some precipitation. Our models are contradicting just a little bit. We have our European model estimating roughly about 1.5 to even 2 inches of rain. Our GFS model up to about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. So I'm thinking we're actually going to stay more in this category, mainly because there's so much atmospheric moisture in the atmosphere. And with this storm system coming in, it's going to really dump quite a bit of rain for that day. So that's going to be Sunday into Monday. We have a 70% chance of precipitation there. And we're going to continue to watch for any instability in our atmosphere as well as those storms continue to develop. Temperatures, again, soaring into the 90s. I'm really confident we are going to reach about 90 in some areas by the time we reach Saturday, and then it's the cool off from there. After those storms, we have 68 for Tuesday, 66 for Wednesday. This is more average for this time of year heading into Masters Week. So that's a quick look at weather. We're going to be right back with more news. Here's a live look over I-20 exit 195 Hyatt Place.